Here at Mad City Windows, we'll put our money where our mouth is and show you that our windows will do the job. Let's go to Studio B. Lauren's going to put a pat of butter on the competition's window. Go ahead, Lauren, put the pat of butter on, and Tim has the torch representing the hot sunshine we get here in the summertime. And let's see if the butter melts. If it does, that window system won't do the job. The butter is melting. That means that system won't keep out the heat or the cold. All right, Lauren, quickly put the pat of butter on our window here at Mad City Windows. Butter's in place. Bring in the torch. Tim's doing a great job. See how hot that torch is? The butter doesn't melt. Proof our windows keep out the heat. Give your home an energy upgrade. Call Mad City Windows now. You can check us out at madcitywindows.com. Get the jump on fall. 67% off installation on new windows. Zero down, zero interest, and zero payments for 18 months. A $200 Walmart gift card with purchase. And if you call during this program, you get a $25 Culver's gift card with your free in-home estimate from Mad City Windows.